Hi, good morning children. This is your Lata ma'am. Welcome to our Nirbhaya Digital Learning class. Hi, hello, how are you kids? I hope you are all safe. As before going to the topic, I will say you some of exercise. Be ready students? Everyone stand in your place. Stand. Hands up. Put your hands down. 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 Jump. Stop. 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 Hands up. Put your hands down. 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 Okay, sit in your place children. Everyone sit in your place. What you learned yesterday? Children, you learned yesterday how to subtract the one group to another group. As today I will show you some sums children, how to do subtraction sums. Subtract. See, 46 from 84. Okay, what you have to do? You should minus in this number to this number. Understood? 46 from 84. See, you should write place value chart first. You should draw the place value chart. See, this is 2-digit number. Ones place, tens place. Ones place, tens place you should write. Again you should write the symbol of subtraction. Subtraction symbol is minus. As subtraction symbol is minus. Now see, 46 from 84. This 84 you should write up, because in this 84 you should subtract 46. See, here ones place you should check first. Up, which number is here? 4. Down, 6. What you have to do? You should subtract in this number to this number. As here 4 is less number is 4. 6 is greater number. As 4 is smallest number, 6 is greatest number. In the 4, 6 will go? No. What you have to do? You should take borrow. If you take borrow here 14, here 7. In the 14 you should cut 6. What you have to do? You should count up to 6 after, up to 14 you should count. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How many fingers came now? See, how many fingers came? 8 fingers. As see what we did here. Here 6. 6 after you should count up to 14. As 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. As 14 came. Now how many fingers is here? 8 fingers. That 8 you should write here. Understood children? Next, here how many is here? 7. In this 7, what we have to do? You should cut 4. You should open 7 fingers and you should cut 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 you should cut. Remaining how many? 3. That 3 you should write here. What is that answer? 38 is the answer. Next, 56 from 98. Okay, see what you have to do? You should minus 56 from 98. First of all, you should draw the place value chart. As ones place, tens place. should write the minus symbol because subtraction symbol is minus. Now 98 minus 56. As now see 8 minus 6. 8, take out your 8 fingers, cut 6. Remaining how many? 2. That 2 you should write here. Here you should take out your 9 fingers, cut 5. Remaining how many? 4. That 4 you should write here. Understood, children? Copy in the classwork. Two more sums I will give you, okay? Copy in the classwork, ma. See? $76 from 94. Okay, what you have to do? You should draw the column. Ones place and tens place. Ones place, tens place. As again, see 76 from 94. 94 you should write up. 76 down. As sorry, you should write here symbol minus symbol. Okay, see here what you have to do, you should minus. In the 4, 6 will go? No. What you have to do, you should take borrow. If you take borrow, 4 will become 14. As now 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How many fingers came? Up to 6 after up to 14 you should count. As 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How many fingers came? 8 fingers. That 8 you should write here. Understood, children? Again, in this 8 you should minus 7. Take out your 8 fingers, minus 7. Remaining 1. That 1 you should write. Understood? See? D1. 63 from 85. What you have to do? You should draw the ones place, tens place you should draw. As minus symbol you should write. Now 63 from 85. 85 you should write up. Minus 63. As in the 5 you should cut 3. Take out your 5 fingers, cut 3. Remaining how many? 1, 2. The 2 you should write here. Here how many? 8. In the 8, 6 easily can go. Yes, take out your 8 fingers, cut 6. Remaining how many? 2. The 2 you should write here. What is that answer? 22 is the answer. These are 2-digit numbers. Okay, children? Copy in the classwork. Children, do these sums in the classwork, ma. See, listen. 43 from 85. Okay. 43 from 85. What you have to do? You should draw the place value chart. 2-digit numbers. As ones, tens. See. 43 from 85. That's why what you have to do? 85 you should write up. Again symbol. What is that symbol? Minus symbol you should draw. Okay. Again what you have to write? 43 you should write down. As up number number to down number you should minus. Understood? Here 5. 5 you should open and you should minus 3. Remaining how many? 2. Yes, the 2 you should write down. Understood, children? Here up, how many number? Which number is here? 8. Yes, in that 8 you should cut 4 fingers. Understood? See, don't open your fingers, like that only can do. Okay? See, 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, how many numbers came here? See, 4 after up to 8 you should count. Yes, 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8. How many fingers came? 4 fingers. Yes, that 4 you should write here. What is that answer? 42 is the answer. Again, next. Draw the place value chart. Ones place, tens place. Again, you should see the sum. Yes, 54 from 96. 96 you should write up. 54 you should write down. Yes, in this number you should minus down number. Which number is here? 6. 6 here 4. 4 after up to 6 you should count. Yes, 4 after 5, 6. How many fingers came? 2. That 2 you should write here. Here 9, here 6. 6 after you should count up to 9. Yes, 6 after 7, 8, 9. How many fingers came? 3 fingers. That 3 you should write here. Understood, children? What I am saying? See, this sum. Again you should draw the place value chart. Okay? Ones place, tens place. See, minus symbol you should write. Okay? See, 73 from 83. 83 should write up. 73 should write down. 3 minus 3. 3 minus 3. How much? 0. 8 minus 7. 7 after 8. Yes, 1 finger. That 1 you should write here. Understood, children? Copy in the classwork. You learn 2-digit numbers. Now 3-digit number subtraction you should learn. See, 243 from 656. How many numbers here? 3 numbers. As 3-digit numbers. You should draw the column. Ones, tens, hundreds. As minus you should draw. Minus symbol. Now, see, 243 from 656. 656 you should write up. After that minus 243. As in this 6 you should cut 3. Open your 6 fingers, cut 3. After remaining how many? 3. That 3 you should write here. Here. Tens place. Which number is here up? 5. In that 5, which number you should cut? Down number. What is that number? 4. See, in the 5 you should cut 4. Remaining how many? 1. That 1 you should write here. Up. Which number is here in hundreds place? 6. You should cut 2 fingers because down 2 is there. Remaining how many? 4. That 4 you should write here. What is that answer? 413. 413 is the answer. Next. See, 635 from 686. Should draw the columns. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. As see, minus 686 minus 635. As in the 6 down number, which number is here? 5. You should cut 5. Open your 6 fingers, cut 5. Remaining 1. That 1 you should write here. Here 8. 8 fingers open, cut 3 fingers. Remaining how many? 5. That 5 you should write here. 6 minus 6. 6. Cut 6. How many? 0. What is that answer? 51 is the answer. Understood, children? Copy in the classwork ma. Children, take out your homework book and copy the sums and do it in the homework book. Okay? This is your homework. This is your homework ma. Do it in homework book. Place value chart you should draw and you should do this sum. Okay?